Alright gang, bison here. We're out in the woods behind my house. We're going to do a batoning test of the Victorinox outdoor Mick Large. So in order to do that, we're going to cut down a piece of this, couple pieces of this dead tree, and we'll take it from there. Now obviously in the field, we're not going to have a saw like this, but for spirit of testing, this is what we got. Okay, big parts down. We cut a chunk off of here and a chunk off of here. Okay, we have a nice piece here. This tree is newly dead because it looks pretty moist inside. So we'll have a good hammer. It's not going to explode and crumble on me. Put that over here. And then we'll get this lower piece here. Get the camera in position. We'll get another piece off of here. I'm wearing my firm grip, cut resistant gloves. And then the other test I like to do is the Ferro rod. Alright, we got her. Let's move on to a flat surface. Alright, so we're back here. We've got a flat surface. Take out our master Mick Large. I want to see how she fares batoning. Now this isn't a very long blade, so we'll limit it to kind of what we're going to baton. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's zoom back a hair. There we go. Absolutely beautiful. Let's try her here. Excellent. All right. Blade looks good. Nothing but wet marks and a little sap. I like it. Now we're going to test to see how the Ferro rod fares. Now right off the bat, obviously before I put gloves on, the spine here feels a little smooth. So if it doesn't strike too well with the Ferro rod, we may have to sand it down a bit. But let's see what happens. Ferro rod out of the case. And we'll see how she strikes. There we go. So she throws a good spark. No filing necessary. And the little score marks seem to rub off. Not leaving anything. Gotta get back in the shop here and clean off the blade, hit it with a little oil. And it should be good again. So there we go. A little field test, or backyard test of the Victorinox outdoor Mick Large. Alright gang, thanks for watching. Bison out.